the part 2 of standard form of the equation, particularly to perpendicular of a line. This maths is for grade 8. Now I have here number 2. Write the standard form of the equation of the line that passes through negative 3 and 2 and is perpendicular to the line 4x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So again, I need to make a graph by using my Cartesian coordinates. Very straight. This is y-axis, x-axis. Now my point is negative 3 and 2. So where can I locate this point, negative 3 and 2? So quadrant 2. So my x is negative 3, 1, 2, 3. And then my y-axis is 2. So in here. So this is point 1, negative 3, and 2. How about this line, 4x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So by using intercept and then make a table. So when x is 0, what is the value of y? So when x is 0, 4 times 0 plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. So this will be 0. So 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. So 3y transpose, this will be 8. And then divide 3 both sides. So y is equals to 8 over 3. So this is 8 over 3. Now how about when y is 0? When y is 0, so this will be 4x plus 3 times 0 minus 8 is equals to 0. So this will be 4x plus 0 minus 8 equal to 0. So 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. 4x transpose negative 8 to the right. So this will be positive 8. Then divide 4 both sides. So x equals 8 divided by 4 is 2. So my x is 2. Now I can plot this one in the Cartesian coordinates. So point 1. Point 1 is, what is 8 divided by 3? So this is 2, 6, 2, then add 0, bring down 0, this is point. 20, so this is 6, this is 18. So 6, 6, 6, okay? So estimate 2.6. So y is 2.6. This is 3. So I'm here. 2.6. So this is point 1 will be at 0 and 8 over 3. Now the point 2, 2 and 0. So quadrant 1. So 1, 2. So in here. So point 2 coordinates are 2 and 0. And then I need to connect these 2 points to make a line. Okay. And we'll make a straight line. And then this one, since this is perpendicular, so crosses this line. So the question is, what is the name of this line? So this line is 4x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So we need to find the name of this line. So take note, this line is perpendicular to this line, 4x plus 3y. So let's say this is line 1, and then this is line 2. So take note, line 1. Line 1 is perpendicular to line 2. So meaning, the slope of this line 1 will be, no, I mean, the slope of line 2 will be equal to negative 1 over m1. So I need to solve the slope for line 1. So I have here 4x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So solving by using point slope form, SFI, slope SIF, sorry, slope intercept form. So this will be in terms of y, solving in terms of y. So this will be transpose to the right minus 4x. And then also this one, transpose to the right, this will be plus 8. And then divide by 3 both sides. So y is equal to negative 4 over 3x. And then this will be 8 over 3. Now the slope, because this is slope-intercept form, SIF, slope will be negative 4 over 3. And then the y-intercept is 8 over 3. Now, as what I said, slope of this, I call this one as m1. So to solve m2, this will be equal to 1 minus m1, or negative 1 over m1. So I have here negative 1 over negative 4 over 3. So what is now the slope for m2? So m2 will be negative, negative, so that will be positive. So 1 over 4 over 3. So this will be 1 upside down of 4 over 3 is 3 over 4. So slope line 2 is equal to 3 over 4. So I have now the reciprocal of slope 1. So using the point slope form, I think I can erase this one. Using the point slope form, point slope form, so I have y minus y1 is equal to m2. This is the slope of the perpendicular line times x minus x1 at point. The point is at negative 3 and 2, while the slope is, which is m2, this is perpendicular slope, this is 3 over 4. So I have here y minus 2 is equal to 3 over 4 times x minus minus, this will be plus. Okay, so I have here y minus 2 is equals to 3 over 4 times x plus 3. So I need to multiply for both sides. Then this is cross out. Then distribute 4y. Then minus 8 is equals to 3x plus 9. So this will be 3x. This 4y minus 8 transpose to the right. This will be minus 4y. Then I have plus 9. Then transpose negative 8 to the right. That will be positive 8. So this will be 3x minus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. So standard form of a line is ax squared, plus by is equals to c. So this will be 3x minus 4y is equals to negative 17. So the name of this line is 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 17. So that is now the name of this line. So thank you, or this is today's topic.